So this is a view of the C3 AI process optimization. This is actually for a steam production facility that has 5 steam generators in parallel. So let me go through how this looks. We have some KPIs at the top. Now these KPIs are customizable, but here we have the amount of energy that's being produced, the financial benefit of that increased production. And in the middle, we have the most recent optimization. So it starts with an optimization in the open status. You see when that optimization is generated. And then for the specific optimization, we see the benefit and the financial value, and then a preview of when that optimization is going to run again. All right, so now my workflow has been done as an engineer. On the operator side, they'll get the same view of this optimization, the optimization set points. You can see the comments at the bottom that were added, again, so that they can keep track of anything particularly highlighted. And they can look through the set points. It's similar to what the engineer sees. And over here, we have the accept or reject button. So when we accept it, it's just accepted, and then the operator would go and implement those set points. Again, we're validating them and making sure that they're good. If they're not, we can add a new comment here and maybe put some reasons why we don't want to use this recommendation, and then keep track of that. So it can be accepted or rejected. If they're not, we can add a new comment here and maybe put some reasons why we don't want to use this recommendation, and then keep track of that. So it can be accepted or rejected.